The secret to planning a video introduction that gets millions of views is this. Link the first sentence of your introduction to your title and thumbnail. Watch this video to the end to find the most important thing to do when planning a video introduction. Don't make the mistake of thinking a video introduction works alone. It works alongside with your thumbnail and title. These three components work together to get your viewers to click your videos. The single biggest mistake I see content creators make when planning their introductions is they don't carefully integrate these three components. You can't leave it to chance. Rather, carefully plan out from the beginning how the three of them are going to interact. So let's look at the role each plays. Then I'll show you how to plan them to create an introduction your viewers can't resist. The thumbnail's function is to get the viewer's attention. Thumbnails do this by using faces which we humans are automatically programmed to pay attention to. Creators additionally use objects that announce the video's topic. They may show shocking situations or graphs. Text can also play a role in grabbing attention. No matter how good your thumbnail is at gaining the viewer's attention, it needs the help of an intriguing title to win the click. Titles are a great place to highlight keywords or add that extra amount of intrigue to get a click. Thumbnails and titles must work together, each helping the other. A quick glance of a thumbnail should leave some questions in the viewer's mind. Those questions have to be answered by the title. Together, they require the viewer to use a bit of mental effort to put the pieces of the puzzle together, and this is often enough to engage the viewer to click the video. The thumbnail and title work together to deliver a promise to the viewer announcing what the video will be about. It promises them that if they watch the video, they will get such and such a benefit. But here's the thing, YouTube has changed. Now if you put your cursor on a thumbnail, it automatically starts playing the video. How can you exploit this to your advantage? Not too long ago, YouTube changed things. When you put your cursor on a thumbnail, the video starts playing, but without the sound. In a way, this takes on the role of a thumbnail, providing a visual glimpse of what the video is about. So the first 5 seconds of a video is crucial, now more so than ever. It needs to intrigue the viewer so they want to watch, but do so without the aid of any sound. It also has another key function, and if you ignore this function, then you're likely to lose your viewers within the first 5 seconds of your video. At the top of any viewer's mind lies the question, is this video worth my time? Viewers are not going to give you more than a few seconds to determine if it's worthy of their attention. Viewers want to see if you're going to deliver on your promise set out by the thumbnail and title. Make a mistake and your viewers scroll to the next video and your attention rate drops. Imagine this. A viewer sees your thumbnail and title, then puts the cursor on the thumbnail to see the video preview. You got his attention, but only for a few seconds at best. The challenge for us creators is that we need to convince our viewers that they have not fallen into a clickbait trap. Viewers avoid videos that don't meet the promise they expected from glimpsing at the thumbnail and title. So your mission when designing the first 5 seconds of your introduction is to convince them that you have not broken your promise and used clickbait. How do you do this, you might ask? The first sentence of your introduction needs to echo the key ideas of your thumbnail and title. This tells your viewers you're going to deliver on your promise, and it reminds them of what that promise is. You have now planned the first sentence of your introduction, so let's now look at planning the rest of the introduction. Now you might be wondering, what is the number one takeaway about how to plan your introduction? The most important technique is show, don't tell. What do you do if your videos are like mine and you don't show your face, or you don't have any video footage that shows your concepts? You can rely upon B-roll and visuals. B-roll is the alternative footage we use in videos. It may be video stock footage or simply short clips of the main actor of the video doing something. We use B-roll to supplement the footage of the main actor called A-roll. This makes the video more engaging because it provides more variation or gives the key idea with minimal explanation. Let's watch these two clips to better understand. Both have the same narration, but B-roll is added to the second clip. You simply saw some A-roll of a man talking. Now watch this variation of it. The second clip had some B-roll to add variety, make it more engaging, and quicken the pace. We can further spice things up by adding still images like diagrams or pictures to our editing. This time, I'm going to add some still images. Notice how it compares to the second clip we just saw. The last component is the pace, the speed at which the video moves. In general, faster pacing engages better than slower pacing. Here are a few ways to speed up your pacing. Delete all empty parts where there's nothing said. Use short scenes to give a sense of progression. Use transitions between some of the scenes. Use other features such as stills and captions to quicken the pace. We've looked at some editing techniques to keep the retention rate of your introductions high, but there is a missing critical component. Watch this video to find out how you can make your viewers realize within the first 15 to 30 seconds of your video that it will provide them with the value they are expecting, so they will watch more of your video.